Welcome to the channel. Food is God gift. Today we're going to see how to make banana blossom filter. All you need is 1 cup chana dal and you need to soak for 2 hours. 1 cup chopped onion. The red onion, also small onion, is going to be delicious. Few garlics, ginger, fennel seed about 1 teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 dry chilies, it depends how much spices you want, 1 green chili chopped, salt, coriander leaf chopped, about 1 cup chopped banana blossoms soaked with the buttermilk. So friend, let's see how to clean banana flower. So I got this banana flower from farmers market. To find the best banana flower, you need to press it. It should be hard and nice. So first we need to remove all the petals and try to plug it off all the petals, and now you can see the tiny banana blossom. So this is so unique. This banana is a black banana, is a type of varieties of a banana. So the blossom itself is black, and we're going to keep pluck all the petals until we find the softer petals. So once you feel it's soft, and you can stop, pluck all the remaining petals, and we can use the blossom. And so friend, let's see, this is floret, claxy and pistil. Claxy and pistil, we need to remove it. That's really giving the bitterness to dishes. And how to remove it? Just feel it. This pointy one is a pistil and the translucent is a claxy. So we're going to remove it and clean it all together. So once you clean, I'm going to show you how to chop these banana leaves. Before that, you need to apply oil on knife to avoiding the stain. So now we can chop fine as we can, because I'm not going to put in the food processor or going to make a fine paste. Instead, I'm going to chop fine as I can, so we can have a nice chunk of pieces of a banana floret in our vada. So now it's ready. So remaining the floret, I'm going to chop to the fine pieces. So we're going to keep chopping to we have nice fine pieces through the knife. So friends, this is the method. So make sure you apply oil on your hand to avoid that stain. Now in the bowl, I'm just adding about ½ cup water, 1/4 cup of the buttermilk. This is the traditional way to soak the banana floret. So the prevention is avoiding the bitterness. This need to be soaked about 2 hours. You always can do earlier or soak overnight, and you can fry vada in the morning. So let it soak. So today I just soak about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm squeezing all that buttermilk and water, and I just get that floret. So this is also prevention from changing color. So some people can add the vinegar with the water, that also help. So you can give a try, either any method, to make sure avoiding that the rubbery and the bitterness from the banana floret. So now it's ready. It's about 1 cup chopped banana floret that we soaked earlier with the buttermilk. In the mixie or grinder, I'm going to add that ginger, garlic and chili, dry chilies. So we're going to break it, and I'm going to add cinnamon powder, fennel seed and salt, and give a mix. and now I'm adding the soaked chana dal. So we're going to have the nice kosher texture. You don't need to have the fine paste kinda. Kosher texture is enough. And now I'm adding the banana floret. So I'm adding the coriander leaf, green chilies, red onion or small onion, finely chopped, and I'm going to give a nice mix. So use your hand and keep giving nice squeeze and give the mix together. When you give the tight mix together, all the flavor going to be combined together until you form nice dough consistent, and you can make the perfect shape vada. So now it's ready. So in the wok, I just heat the oil. So today I'm using the sunflower oil. Once the oil hot, we can drop this vada that we shape it in a hot oil. So let it cook one side about 2 minutes, then only you can turn to other side. So now you can turn to other side. It should be take about 7 to 8 minutes to complete cook both of side, or make sure it's floating on the top of oil. Now you can see the vada all the floating on the top of oil, or it's going to change to nice golden brown. Now it's ready, friends. All fully cooked, so crispy and light. You can see the all vada is floating on the top of oil. Now the crispy banana flavored vada is ready. This Valeppu vada is such a famous in South India and simply delicacy and high in beneficial. So we never miss the taste. Is really delicious. It's really like a meaty flavor, but it's totally vegan and vegetarian. So friends, I also made the few vada with the air fryer. So please check the description below how to fry this vada using air fryer method. It's really informative and interesting. So friend, let's give a try. It's so delicious. It's so crispy and so soft and delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe from our kitchen to your home. Thank you. Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to see how to make pineapple payasam or kheer. All you need a pineapple. So today I used the cooked half cup pineapple. We need to cook for 10 minutes until nicely cooked. 1 cup coconut milk, 1 cup milk or evaporated milk, 1/4 cup soaked tapioca pearls. So I soak about 1 hour before I start making this dish. Cashew nut, golden raisins, candy pineapple. It's a dry candy, sugar about half cup. It's based on your taste. Ghee 1 teaspoon. So in the pot, I just heat it up. We're going to add the ghee. Once it's melt, we're going to roast the cashew nut. Once cashew nut is golden brown, and we're going to remove it and keep aside. Nice and golden. And now we can add that golden raisin. So we're going to do one at a time. So each ingredient have a different cooking timing. So always do one at a time to have the perfect texture and the color. So once it's plumb up, we're going to remove it, the golden raisin, and in the same pot I'm adding about 1 cup of water and tapioca pearl. So we're going to keep boiling until the tapioca pearls turn to translucent. So we keep boiling. I'm adding the sugar in this point, milk, evaporated milk, coconut milk, and we need to have a very light consistent because the tapioca pearl is a natural thickening agent. So I'm adding the cooked pineapple. So make sure you add a cooked pineapple. Do not add the raw pineapple. It might ruin your kheer or payasam. Now adding the food yellow color, about 1/8 teaspoon. So it's nice golden yellow. Now it's ready. It's so quick. It's optional. You can add the cardamom powder, but I like have that natural pineapple flavor in my kheer or payasam, so I'm not adding any cardamom flavor, so it's optional. So friend, I'm using the pineapple and just pour the kheer inside the pineapple. I'm just adding more pineapple candy on the top of as a decoration. This pineapple kheer is very famous in Kerala, and this is so delicious with the creamy and sweet and very topical flavor. The pineapple have a unique stand and fragrance, and it's so delicious, and either you can enjoy hot or cold. So friend, this is so delicious. It's sweet and with all that garnishing, the coconut milk even give the nice flavor and so creamy texture. Look at this friend, it's so delicious and it's really unique, sweet, and you can always give a try. So friends, for the festival time you can make this delicious pineapple payasam to your friends and family. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.